Hello everyone, this is Tommy here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to register on Binance and how to verify your identity on Binance to start trading crypto such as Bitcoin, Ethereum. So the first step, go ahead and sign up for a new Binance account. You can just head over to Binance.com. Then you will be getting into this page as you see right here. Depending on when you watch this video in the future, this page might look different. Just make sure you are on Binance.com. Then you will be on the correct page, and once you're here, you can click to sign up with email or to register. Either one of these buttons will work. And once you click the button, you'll get the sign up page right here. Here you can either sign up with your email or your mobile phone. That is up to you. And one thing I also want to mention, that if you use my personal referral code, you will also get an additional 20% trading fee discount for lifetime. All you have to here is enter the code. I'm also gonna leave this code down here in the description, or you can simply click the link in the description below, and that will automatically take you to this page. And put the code on the page and you will see your 20% off of your trading fees, which can add up to a lot of money. Once you are done with filling your email or mobile phone number and referral code, make sure you also check the box below that you read the terms of Binance and then simply click Next. Then you get the next step, that you have to confirm your email address that you've just used to sign up for Binance. So go ahead to your mailbox and copy the code that Binance sent you, and fill the blank with the code, and you will get to the next step. And finally, set your password for your Binance account, and click Next. Once you signed up to Binance, now let's complete identity verification. Log into your Binance account and click User Center on the right top of the page. And then Identification. Here you can see Verified, Verified Plus, and Enterprise Verification. Click Start Now to verify, then select your country of residence. Please make sure your country of your residence is consistent with your ID documents. You will then see the list of verification requirements for your specific country or region. Click Continue. Enter your personal information. Here you can go on with your ID card, driving license, or passport. Choose one which is suitable for you and click Continue. Here you need to upload your documents. Follow the instructions to upload photos of your documents. Your photos should clearly show the full ID document. For example, if you're using an ID card, you have to take photos of the front and the back page of your ID card. After uploading the document photos, the system will ask for a selfie. After that, you need to complete face verification. Please do not wear any hats, glasses, or use filters, and make sure that lighting is sufficient. Alternatively, move your mouse to the QR code on the bottom right to complete verification on the Binance app instead. After completing the process, please wait patiently. Once your application has been verified, you will be notified. In this video, I tried to show you guys how to register on Binance and complete the identification process. I hope you liked the video. If you got any questions, please ask me in the comments section. If you liked the video, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel.